Hi, I would like to know my credit balance.
Of course. May I have your credit card number?
Yes, it's 512-879-346. My name is John.
All right, John. You currently have no dues on your credit card.
Really? I finally paid it off?
Yes, sir. Your balance is officially zero.
I must admit, I'm proud of myself.
Is there anything else you'd like me to check, sir?
Yes. Can you change my card status from a college to a normal account?
Of course, but you'll have to come into the bank to do that.
All right. I'll be down first thing tomorrow.
Sounds good, sir. Have a good day.
Hello. How may I help you today?
Hi, I would like to increase my internet data.
I'll be glad to help you with that. What's your account number?
I don't have my account number with me, but my phone number is 310-865-9274.
All right. I see you use our mobile service.
Yes, I also have a landline.
According to my file, you are eligible for an upgrade to our new service.
What does this new service include?
It makes the internet connection twice as fast.
That sounds perfect. Is there also a price increase?
Yes, that will be $5 more per month.
Sign me up right away. Hello, please connect me to tech support.
This is tech support. How may I help you?
I'm having problems with my internet service.
What seems to be the problem?
None of my wireless devices are connecting to the Wi-Fi.
I see. Have you tried disconnecting and reconnecting the modem?
No, how do I do that?
Simply unplug the modem for 15 seconds.
All right, I plugged it in and again.
Are all the lights back on the modem?
Yes, they're all green.
Your devices should be able to connect easily now.
Oh, they're working perfectly. Thank you. How may I help you?
My computer is not letting me run JavaScript.
That can easily be fixed.
I've tried fixing it myself, but nothing worked.
If you'd kindly go to our website, I'll fix the problem.
I've logged in. Now what?
I will now access your computer from my location.
Oh, I see what you are doing.
That should just about fix the problem.
Thank you so much. It was such an easy solution.
I'm happy to help.
Again, thank you and have a good day.
Hello, is this the Smith residence?
Yes, it is. May I ask who's calling?
This is your bank calling in regards to an overcharge on your credit card.
I'm sorry. There must be some mistake.
It says here that you charged over $500 on it yesterday.
That can't be right. I have not used it in months.
Are you saying you did not make that charge?
That is exactly what I am saying.
Looking closer, this charge was made in a different city.
I am looking for my card now and I cannot find it.
This calls for further investigation.
I assure you, I did not make the purchase. Hello, how can I help you today?
I'm very upset with the quality of your service.
I'm sorry, what seems to be the problem?
My internet service did not work for 3 days.
My records say a technician visited your area yesterday.
Yes, he installed a new modem.
Did it solve the problem?
Yes, but I was overcharged for internet service.
Sorry about that. I'll give you a credit for the 3 days.
I was sold wireless service unavailable in my area.
I see it here. We charged you $5 extra a month.
Yes, kindly return my money, please.